To factory reset a Windows PC, go to the Start menu. Then click the Settings icon. Type Reset this PC and then click Get Started. Then what you want to do is remove everything. And there is an important setting. What you want to do, go to Change Settings and turn on Clean Data. If you do this, then you will not be able to recover the data using special software. Once you have that done, click Confirm down here. Click Next. Once you have confirmed this, click Reset. This will erase all the information on the PC and make it just like new. So if you're selling your computer or something, it will get rid of all your personal information. I'm just going to click that. It will prepare here and it will restart. This will generally take a few hours because it has to clean everything securely. Anyway, if this video has helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We will see you next time.